Unlocking the power of essential Windows commands for troubleshooting. Windows provides a range of powerful commands that allow users to diagnose and resolve issues related to system performance, file integrity, networking, and security. Whether you're tackling application crashes, fixing disk errors, or managing network connections, these commands help you streamline troubleshooting and enhance system efficiency. Diagnose system issues with Event Viewer. The Event Viewer is a powerful tool for analyzing system logs. It captures detailed records of system events, errors, and warnings. Key uses: identify error codes and descriptions to diagnose problems, monitor application crashes to pinpoint failure causes, track security-related events like login attempts or system changes. How to access: open the Run dialog box, Windows key R, type eventvwr.msc, and press Enter. Use filters to focus on specific types of events, such as warnings or errors, for easier troubleshooting. Repair system and disk errors. System File Checker, SFC/scannow. This tool scans and repairs corrupted system files, ensuring system stability. How to use: 1. Open command prompt, run command. 2. Type SFC/scannow and press Enter. 3. The tool scans for and fixes issues automatically. Applications. Resolve issues caused by missing or damaged files. Fix problems after failed updates or software installations. chkdsk utility. Use this to identify and repair disk errors, including bad sectors or corrupted file systems. How to use: 1. Open command prompt, run command. 2. Type sf to fix errors or chkdsk to locate and repair bad sectors. 3. Follow prompts to schedule the scan during the next restart. Applications. Prevent data loss by isolating bad sectors. Improve disk performance and resolve storage-related issues. Pro tip: back up critical data before running these tools with repair options. Manage and troubleshoot network issues. Network connections, ncpa.cpl. Access the Network Connections panel to manage adapters and settings. How to use: 1. Open the Run dialog box, type ncpa.cpl and press Enter. 2. Enable or disable adapters, configure IP settings, or troubleshoot connections. Internet Protocol Configuration, ipconfig. View detailed information about your system's network configuration. Common commands: ipconfigs all display comprehensive adapter details. ipconfig release and ipconfig/renew reset DHCP assigned IP addresses. ipconfig flushdns clear the DNS cache to fix connectivity issues. Ping and tracert. Ping. Test connectivity to a remote server. ipconfig flushdns clear the DNS cache to fix connectivity issues. Ping and tracert. Ping. Test connectivity to a remote server or website. Usage: ping google.com. Tracert. Trace the route data packets take to a destination. Usage: tracert google.com. Applications. Detect network delays or bottlenecks. Analyze routing paths for troubleshooting slow connections. Enhance network security with Windows Firewall. The Windows Firewall manages network security settings, helping you protect against unauthorized access. How to access: 1. Open the Run dialog box, type firewall.cpl, and press Enter. Key features: enable or disable the firewall for private, public, or domain networks. Configure inbound and outbound rules for specific applications or ports. Monitor and fine-tune traffic logs using the Advanced Settings option. Why these commands matter. Mastering these essential Windows commands can save time and effort, making troubleshooting faster and more efficient. By leveraging tools like Event Viewer, System File Checker, and network-related commands, you can keep your system secure, optimized, and running smoothly.